All right, YouTube, check it out. We just got a package in from Wahl. You know what I'm saying? You know, when your boy was attempting, I say attempting because I ain't finished my 30 for 30. But when your boy was trying to do 30 for 30, I hit up Wahl. I say, hey, Wahl, what y'all got for me? Send your boy a package. That way we can get some content with it. They went ahead and sent your boy this. Let's go ahead and open this up so we can see what comes in this box. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. So I went ahead and told them to send your boy this right here. We got the Wahl High Vis. We're gonna see if we can produce some good lines with this. If we can ball it out with it, if we can line up with it. We're gonna see if this thing's working, man, because honestly, I ain't seen no barbers ever using it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna use this thing, but let's go ahead and put this to the side. But we also got, we also got a classic from Wahl. We got the OG original Magic Clips right here, the cordless version. I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. I haven't done a video on this on my channel. However, the Wahl Magic Clip, the cordless version, was actually my first cordless clipper. You know what I'm saying? It was the first cordless clipper that I had. I remember when a traveling supply store or a traveling barber supply came in here and they're like, we have this new cordless clipper. So I bought it and I used it, and ever since then, I never went back to cords. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had a couple other tools on my station, but this was my go-to for the longest. So I said, you know what? Let's revisit this in 2024. Let's see how the Wahl cordless Magic Clip works. Like I said, the OG. But let's go ahead and unbox this, and let's see what comes in this box right here. Hold your horses. Before we do that, let's take a look at the box. Stagger tooth blade, variable taper, lithium ion cordless clipper, unique blending blade. So a lot of people like this clipper because of the stagger tooth blade that comes on the Magic Clips. I know a lot of people always talk about that, and that's why the Magic Clips are a lot of people's go-to clipper. But once again, man, check out the box. Let's read some of the stuff on the back. Crunch blade technology, blade adjustment lever, cordless convenience, up to 100-minute runtime, seamless blends when hard or soft line fading, bulk hair removal. Like I said earlier, unique stagger tooth blade, blends hair and creates texture while cutting. Comes with 8 different guards on here, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and open this thing up. We got the Wahl cordless Magic Clip. Y'all check that out right there. We'll go ahead and take off the blade cover. Check that out. got the OG colorway, the maroon and black. We got the stagger tooth blade on there. I don't know if y'all can see, if it's focusing. Get my face out of the frame. There we go. Y'all check that blade out. 5-star magic clip. Let's go ahead and turn this on for y'all. Y'all hear the motor on it? Let's go ahead and see what else comes in the box. So underneath this, let me move this to the side real quick. So underneath that, we do have the charging cord right here. And then we have another box. Let's go ahead and open up this box and see what comes in here. So in this box, we actually do get a comb. And we get all the guards right here. We get the 1 through the 6, I'm assuming. And then we also get, this is the old school 0 or the half guard and 1.5. These are not the premium ones. I remember using this. A lot of people still use this gold, or I'm sorry, this gray half guard. I ain't gonna use it, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, but then we get this also that we ain't even gonna look at, and then we get some oil in there. And like I said, we get the guards. 1 through 8, I don't know what it is. I might use them, I don't know, who knows. Let's throw that back in there. But once again, here is the Wahl Magic Clip. We're gonna put this thing to use, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about this now here in 2024. Let's get it. All right, guys, so as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the Wahl Magic Clip, the OG Magic Clip, you know what I'm saying? This is, like I said earlier in the video, this was actually my first cordless clipper that I ever used. I don't even know how long ago it was, but I remember, like I said, buying it off of the mobile supply people and using it, and I was rocking with it. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this out the box once again. I'm gonna talk a little bit about this clipper. All right, so check it out. Once again, here is the Wahl Magic Clip. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all so y'all can hear it. As you can hear, it doesn't sound as powerful as the newer stuff. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't sound as powerful as the Wahl Seniors or even as powerful as the new Wahl Magic Clips. You know, the gold ones or the black ones, those seem a little more powerful than this one right here. Basically, I know what y'all wanna know is this clipper still worth it in 2024? And I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. I would say, although this isn't the strongest clipper out right now, or the most flashiest clipper, the most innovative clipper out, I will say that it's still a great tool. You know what I'm saying? You can still get the job done with just this tool right here. And this is a lot of people's go-to clipper even now in 2024, because the Wahl Magic Clip is just all around. It's a great tool. Now, like I said earlier, it's not the strongest clipper. It's not the best for debulking, but you will be able to debulk with this clipper. And yeah, you might have to go over it a couple times, but it will get the job done and it will get the hair down to that desired length. I really enjoyed fading with this clipper. Like I said, it's been a minute since I've actually used this clipper, and I enjoyed fading with it. I was taking my time with it. Like the way the stagger tooth blade actually blends the hair. I don't know if it's easier or what, but it gives a softer blend. That's something that I really enjoyed while using this clipper. Now, although I'm not the biggest fan of the colorway, you know, the maroon and black, it's OG, you know what I'm saying? That's the original colors that they came in, so I get it. Me personally, I like my all black one better. But you know what I'm saying? Like I said, guys, I really just wanted to put this to use for y'all in the video, because I haven't done a review or an unboxing or even really talked about the OG Magic Clip since I started my YouTube journey. And I just wanted to put this out there for y'all, for the newer barbers or for the barbers who don't want to spend a lot of money. If they come across the Magic Clip and if they are interested, like, is this still a good tool in 2024? Like I said, yes, it is. It's not the most innovative clipper. It's not breaking any new technology, but it gets the job done, and that's all that matters. Are there clippers that are more powerful than this one? Of course. Are there clippers that work better than this one? Yeah, but that really just boils down to preference. If you like this tool and you're a fan of the Wahl Magic Clips and you know that style of clipper, then obviously you're gonna love this clipper, right? But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to let y'all know what I felt about the Wahl Magic Clip in 2024. And like I said, I think overall it's a great tool. If you are interested in this tool, you can go to wahlpro.com, use my discount code TANK10 and save yourself some money, or you can go to fwbarbersupply.com and use my discount code TANK10 and save yourself some money there also. And one time for the one time, if you are interested, we do got these BWO shirts on my website, tankbchoppin.com. You go get you one. You know I'm a big advocate of wearing barber apparel, so get you a BWO Barber World order tee at tankbchoppin.com. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.